Hi folks, Tony from Staccato. Now we're going to work with the Staccato P. Disassembly, cleaning, reassembly, and lubrication. The Staccato P is equipped with the Dawson Precision toolless guide rod system. The first thing we want to do is make sure there's no ammunition in the room and there's no magazine and the firearm is clear. We inspect the mag well, make sure there's no magazine inside the mag well. We're going to pull back on the slide, visually inspect that chamber. Once we're sure that the chamber is clear, we're going to point that firearm in a safe direction and squeeze that trigger and drop the hammer. Let's get started. Pulling back on the slide slightly until the slide stop takedown notch lines up with the slide stop. You'll then remove the slide stop. Once you remove the slide stop, you will then separate the barrel assembly from the frame. Once you've separated the barrel assembly from the frame, again, have the bottom of the slide facing skyward. You'll then apply pressure on the rearward portion of the recoil guide rod, pushing it forward and then engaging the locking bar on the Dawson Precision toolless guide rod system. You'll then remove the captured system and ensuring to place it in a safe direction because it's under extreme pressure. You will then move the barrel link into the downward position and remove the barrel out of the front of the slide. Now that you've completed disassembly, it's time to clean. Focusing on the high areas of carbon collection, such as the feed ramp, the bottom of the barrel, and the frame. In order to remove carbon from those high carbon collection areas, you want to use a nylon or stiff brass brush and a cleaner. Once you've done that, you're going to take a rag and wipe down the outside of all of the parts, removing any dirt, debris, excess cleaner, or lubrication. You'll then take a Hoppe's bore snake and run the brass end through the barrel in the direction of flight of the bullet. Now that we're done cleaning, it's time to reassemble. Once again, starting with the slide, with the bottom of the slide facing skyward, you're going to ensure that the barrel link is in the down forward position. Insert the barrel into the forward portion of the slide. Then move the barrel link into the up position. Insert the Dawson Precision toolless guide rod system. Push forward on the rear of the guide rod, releasing the locking bar. And then ride the guide rod back to where it intersects with the back of the barrel. Turn the slide back toward that the bottom of the slide is facing down. Barrel link is in the down position. Then create the relationship between the slide and the frame. Continue to move the slide rearward until you see the barrel length through the slide stop holes in the frame. Then insert your slide stop pin in the slide stop holes. Pull back slightly on the slide. Insert the slide stop completely in the frame. Now that you've reassembled, it's time to perform a functions check. Pull back on the slide, cocking the hammer. Engage the safety. Attempt to squeeze the trigger. The gun should not fire. Disengage the safety, point the gun in a safe direction, and squeeze the trigger, and the hammer should fall. Now that you've completed your functions check, it's time to apply lubrication. Apply lubrication at the forward portion of the barrel where it intersects with the slide. Pull back on the slide. Apply lubrication at the forward portion of the barrel and on the recoil system. Then turn the gun over and apply lubrication on the right side slide rails and the left side slide rail. Vigorously cycle the slide. We're going to wipe off the excess and we're ready to go. Now that you've disassembled, cleaned, reassembled, and lubricated your Staccato P, you're ready for the range. For more information about Staccato, visit staccato2011.com.
For more information on any of our Hoppe's products, visit hoppes.com.